Hello everyone, my name is Hitesh Patel and my student ID is EMV3924. Today's my topic is Zero Limited. The main content of my assignment is first of introduction, second is explanation of various concepts, the criteria for the recognition of different tax assets and liability, tax expense of the current financial year, analysis of the difference current tax and the actual tax paid, identification of different tax asset and the liability, a recommendation of income tax expense and the expense payable, difference between income tax expense and cash flow statement, observation, and last one is references. First, we introduce of our topic is Zero Limited. Zero Limited is the biggest company in the Australia, but the headquartered in New Zealand. The company mostly offer cloud-based account software and it will sell in all over the world. The annual report used is for the financial year ended 31st March 2019. This report will be mainly focused on the concept of timing difference, deferred tax, and the variable other expense and income accounting. The mainly explanation of various concepts. First one is taxable profit. Taxable profit the company give to the government. Taxable profit is different from the profit appearance in the income statement. The another where is the accounting profit. Accounting profit as the income statement of the company. It is reflect the company's profitability. Next one is the temporary difference in the tax. Temporary difference means the difference in the tax resulting. These are the difference between book income and taxable income. Reverse of the eliminated in subsequent year. Example, advance rent will be recorded in taxable profit. The taxable temporary difference in tax means the timing differences, whereas the deducting temporary differences or similar but is time differences and it subsequently tax expense. Where the taxable temporary different taxes which reduce the taxable income in the current year, whereas the deducting temporary different tax is subsequently tax expenses of the current year. Taxable temporary example like a taxable profit become lower than the book profit. The deferred tax asset. Deferred tax asset is like the zero company tax asset are created when the company has overpaid the tax in the current year. The zero company tax paid would be adjusted and deducted in the future. It's like a tax asset. The such differences arise due to difference in tax rules and accounting rules. Deferred tax liability means the temporary timing differences. It is the recognized when a company pay less than the year tax. It calculated on the book profits. Mm. Next one is criteria for recognition of tax asset. Defer, Deferred tax asset is amount of income taxes. It is recoverable and adjustable in the future. Deferred tax asset created on account of deducting temporary differences, also deducting carry forward of tax losses, which are unused and carry forward of credit related to tax. The deferred tax asset, it is the adjust the deferred tax and if the company unable to do generate a sufficient tax profit. The deferred tax liability generate generated on account of the difference in accounting provision and tax provision. The company pay less tax in the current year as compared to the tax calculated on accounting profit liability and different tax is recorded for the same. Tax liability should be recognized for a taxable temporary differences. Let's see the example. Taxable temporary differences always result in more tax liability in the future. It is deferred tax liability like in case of prepaid expenses. Such as such expenses will be deducted on cash basis as per tax previous in calculating taxable profit for accounting purpose. In tax expenses of the company for current financial year, the above extra show the following elements: the income tax expenses as per the taxable profit. Deferred tax element and the adjustment element are the same. We can see both are in the graph, table. Income tax expenses for the current period is $6,478,000. Sorry, 78,000 as per the book profit or losses. The income tax expenses after adjustment and deferred tax elements and the permanent difference is 4,007,000. Difference mainly attributed to the timing difference paid in the current period. Analysis of the different current tax and the actual tax paid. The current tax expense profit is 6,478,000. Where is the taxable profit? The income tax expense amount 4,007,000. The difference in the profit for accounting and taxable purposes. The book profit differ from the taxable profit due to the timing differences. There are two categories of timing difference, that is a permanent and temporary timing differences. The timing differences is due to the restriction in the accounting and taxable provision applicable to the company. Identification of the different tax asset and the different tax liability. We can see the different tax asset is different tax amount and liability amount and net different liability in the table. Hence, the liability recognized in the present year. The recognized income tax expense and expense payable is next 1,958,000, where the tax adjusted by the company in the income statement is 4,007,000. The expense of the tax booked by the company in the income statement is different from the amount of income tax payable by the company. The tax expenses is the amount which is calculated by applying the provision as per the applicable accounting rules. Whereas the tax payable by the company is the tax that is payable to the government and is calculated as per the income tax rules and laid down by the tax authorities. Difference between income tax expense and income cash flow statement due to the recognized pattern and accurate and payable after adjusting different tax liability and asset. In the cash flow statement, only the inflow and outflow cash are recorded. Recorded. Last one is observation. In the company used is the consolidation report for the entire Zero Limited Group. The report is prepared following all of the compliance and is a very investor friendly report. It serves the purpose of the rules of the user of the financial statement prepared by the expense and it contained advanced financial of the company. The financial statement are made by using the international financial reporting standards and accounting standard prescribed for Australian companies. And this one is references. And thank you everyone.